What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got some more deals from Harbor Freight for you. These are going to be the spring coupons, and this is going to be good until March 24th. So let's go ahead and jump into them. First up to the left here, as you guys see, we got a super coupon for 25% off any single hose reel. So pretty good pickup here. And they got a few different hose reels to choose from. One of the most popular ones that they got is the Central Pneumatic 50-foot retractable hose reel. This one's coming in at $79.99, so $80. Now with these Central Pneumatic hose, retractable hose reels, one thing I don't like, and it's a matter of preference, is this frame is a solid frame. So when you mount it to your wall or ceiling in your shop or garage, this isn't going to pivot back and forth. I actually prefer ones that pivot. So for example, this has a pivoting base here. So this is going to allow this hose reel to go from side to side depending on how you mount it. If you mount it in the garage, on a ceiling, or on the wall, I like using my air hose outside of the garage while also inside the garage. So this pivoting motion actually really benefits the way I use it. Others might like the solid frame just for durability and keeping it kind of positioned in place. They also got a couple different ones. They got the Merlin, the Earthquake, and then they got some cheaper variations down here. Here is the 25-foot and the Central Pneumatic. So same version as this one, just a little less hose you're going to get with that. You get 25 instead of 50. This was one of the first ones I ever bought from Harbor Freight. 100-foot manual steel air hose reel, $24.99. Good budget hose reel if you're not looking to spend a lot. And then here's another one here. This is the 30-foot. So depending on what you need, what fits your shop or garage, bunch of different styles that they have here. And then you'll be able to apply the super coupon for any single hose reel. So not a bad pickup. All right, so next up, they got the Merlin 1/4-inch steel plugs. These are always nice to have extras of. Only $1 for that. They got the pistol grip blowgun. Another good pickup for $3. And here's one of my favorite pickups. This is the Central Pneumatic 20-ounce gravity-fed spray gun. $9.99 for this. These are really nice spray guns for the price. Also, they do have the premium rubber air hose by Merlin, $30, so $10 off on that. They got the Banks 16-gauge finish air nailer for $60, and then we got a couple compressors here. Fortress, one of their top-of-the-line compressors. They got the 10-gallon for $249.99, and then they got the 26-gallon for $349.99. Go ahead and jump into some automotive. I got the magnet. This is always handy to have. You drop something behind your workbench, $3. They got their multi-use transfer pump, $5. I always like picking these up also when I go. These are the cleaning towels, $7. Get a 12-pack of these. And then they got the Serpentine belt tool kit for $14. Got the pump tester for $25 by Maddox. The Daytona crossbeam for your floor jack, $60 for this one. And then we got the BAUER speed grease gun, tool only, so you won't be getting any batteries with this. This one's coming in at $100. Now these Daytona self-loading positioning wheel dollies are really, really nice. They're coming in at right around $110. And this is for a single dolly. So you're going to have to pick up more than one to make these useful. And these will work with a vehicle up to 5,200 pounds. So that's the capacity on them. A little pricey, but these are super nice. They got the OBD code reader, $260. And then we got the Daytona 1.5 ton ultra low profile aluminum racing jack. These are really nice, light, easy to move around the shop. $260 for those. Got some D-rings, some bungee cords here. We got some Hallmaster straps here. We got the E-Track tie-down strap for $7, and then we got the ratcheting tie-down for $9. And then we got a couple winches here. These Badland winches are pretty nice. I got one on ATV. Love it. $70 for the 2500, and then we got $550 for the 12,000 that you can throw on your truck. Got some generators and plumbing. Take a quick look at all this stuff. So we got the Predator 6.5 horsepower engine for $130. We got the Jupiter power inverter for $130. And then we got another Predator engine. This is their Ghost kart racing engine. So this is their high performance 212cc, $300 for this one. And then we go into some hand tools. Got the Quinn 7-inch cutters for $5. Some Quinn sockets here for $12. 3/8 inch deep socket. Got some Pittsburgh adjustable wrenches for $15. And then we got the Pittsburgh tap and die set 40 piece for $17. Got the Pittsburgh 25-inch breaker bar, 1/2-inch drive, $17. 3/8 inch drive, 21-piece socket set. And then we got the Pittsburgh axle lock nut socket set. This is a 7-piece, $40. Get into some lighting and specialty. Got some power strips here, $4. These are always nice to have extras of. $2 for the grounded adapter. Got the Braun 1800 lumen light for $20. Some extension cords for $20. 700 lumen Braun headlamp, only $21.99 for that. And then they got the 6,000 lumen LED spotlight for $40. Got some gloves, some safety glasses. Always a wise choice. Pick up some safety gear from Harbor Freight. They got the best prices. I always go there to pick up my gloves and glasses, face masks, stuff like that. This Hardy brand is pretty good for the gloves. I use these at work all the time. $2 for these high vis. Only $1 for the safety glasses. Performance gloves. These are kind of like the mechanic gloves for $4. Got the moving blanket, 40-inch by 50-inch for $4.49. Some duct tape. Who can't use duct tape, right? $4 for that. And then their vinyl gloves are always affordable too. I always pick up my vinyl gloves from there. $5 for the 100-pack. Got the wood dolly, 1,000-pound capacity, $14. And then you got the hand truck, 600-pound capacity for $55. Jump into some outdoor stuff here. We got the tarps. Another good thing to pick up at Harbor Freight are the tarps. I always buy a lot of tarps from them. I got this sprayer. Haven't tried it out yet. Only $21.99 for that. This is one of those hand pump sprayers, 4-gallon. Another tarp here. This is their more heavy-duty tarp. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive at $25, but this one's going to last you a lot longer than these blue tarps. And then they got the Portland 22-inch hedge trimmer. This is going to be a corded for $30. We also got the BAUER string trimmer. This is also going to be corded, coming in at $40. The Predator earth auger for $200, so $40 off on that. And then they got the Predator shredder here, so if you need to shred some limbs, stuff like that, $500 for this one. And now we get into some power tools. Got the Warrior security bit set. I actually purchased one of these years and years ago. Still got it in my toolbox. Use it every once in a while when I need it. Not a bad pickup at $8. In case you guys didn't know, Harbor Freight does sell Meguiar's polishes and waxes. Right here, they got the one-step compound for $25. Whole saw sorted. This is the Warrior brand, so this isn't going to last you a long time, but if you got maybe a couple projects, not a bad pickup. $25 for that. Then we got the BAUER 1/2-inch hammer drill, $30. Another cheap tool, not a bad pickup. This is the corded, not cordless. So if you guys are looking for something to finish up a project, $30, not a bad deal. I usually went to Harbor Freight a lot in the past when I was doing some special projects and I needed a special tool that I probably wasn't going to use very often. So I would always go there, pick up maybe a Chicago electric tool, something like that, at a really affordable price instead of paying the premium price when I knew I wasn't going to use the tool for more than maybe a couple times. Here they got the BAUER jigsaw with the laser. This is corded also, $30. And we got the cordless BAUER 1/2-inch hammer drill driver kit coming in with a battery. $55 for this, so you're getting your battery, you're getting your charger, and you're getting the drill. And then we go back to the corded. We got the long throw Orbit DA polisher for $75. And then to the right here, we got the Hercules folding miter saw stand for $150. Here we got the Admiral 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. This one's going to have the LED and the laser guide, coming in at $200. Haven't used this brand before. If you guys have used this brand, let me know in the comment section below what you think of them. Then we got the Warrior power cutter. This one's coming in at $30. The Diamond cup wheel, for 30 bucks by Hercules. And then we got the belt sander by BAUER. This is the 8 amp, so this is corded also for $45. And then they got some super coupon down here. This is the Hercules 10 amp SDS Max demolition hammer with the vibration control. Was $299.99, so you're getting 100 bucks off on this, bringing the price down to $200. Got some shop and garage stuff. Over here they got the 6-piece detail brush set, only $2. I got both of these stools in the past. I like this one the best if you're looking for a budget-friendly stool. I like the fact that this adjusts up and down for different heights depending on what part of the car you're working on or maybe the project that you're doing. This one has no adjustability, so I prefer this one. And this one actually has 5 casters on it, where this one only has 4. And I had a problem with the casters after about a year on this one. This one still going strong. But both of these, $24.99. And then all the way to the right here, we got the BAUER 3-gallon wet and dry vac. So $35 for this one. And they got the Avani paint and stain sprayer for $45. And then this is their premium shop seat. This one's coming in at $90. This is their Icon. This is a really nice seat also. And then it's available in 4 different colors. So if you guys want to treat yourself, this is the one to get. And then all the way to the right here, they got the 1-ton capacity foldable shop crane. These are really nice. Got one of these also. And I like these because they fold up, push them against the wall, and they don't take up a lot of space. $229 for this one. This was $269. Going to some storage. Got some magnetic hooks. These are really nice. $5 a piece for those. Got a couple storage cases here by Storehouse. And then all the way to the right, we got the 16-inch Hercules tool bag. $12 for that one. Get into some welding and machinery here. So they got the 30-watt 5-in-1 hobby wood burner. $8 for this. Got the benchtop wood lathe for $249. And then we got the thickness planer by BAUER, 15 amp. $329 for this one. And then all the way to the right, they got the cement mixer for $349.99. So $350 for that, $30 off. All right, guys, so that looks like it's it for the super coupons that they got going on. But they do have 2 Hercules deals that I wanted to share with you guys. They got one where you buy one, get one. So they've had this for a little while. But if you buy the 20-volt 5-amp-hour battery and then the 4-amp-hour charger, those are coming in at a price of only $99.98. You can choose one of these free tools for free. And that's actually a pretty good deal because if you check out the 5-amp-hour battery just itself is $75, and then the charger is $45. But you're paying a total of only $99.98 with this pickup. And then they're throwing in one of the tools for free. So depending on what you need, you're getting a pretty good deal here with the Hercules buy one, get one. So you got the 1/2-inch hammer drill driver tool, only $80 for that. You got the impact here, which a lot of people love this impact, $70. Angle grinder, $80. Got the router for $70. So lots of tools to choose from. Really nice pickup here with the buy one, get one. Real affordable way to get into the Hercules power tool ecosystem. And then they're also doing a deal on the batteries. So they got the battery savings deal going on. 2 of the 2.5-amp-hour batteries for only $44.98. So you're getting 2 of them. Pretty much buy one, get one for these. Buy 2 of the 2.5-amp-hour batteries for only $44.98. So you can go in there and probably get both of these deals, and you're still under $150. You're going to have 3 batteries, a charger, and your tool of your choice for under $150. So not a bad pickup with these 2 Hercules deals. And they also have a deal with BAUER. So for you BAUER guys, they got buy the 5-amp-hour battery, and then you get the 3-amp-hour charger. These are going to come in at a price of $89.98, and then they also have a free tool to pick from and a nice selection of tools also. So you got your grease gun, circular saw. Grease gun alone is $129.99, so that would be a nice pickup, saving you a lot of money there. They got the angle grinder, chainsaw, blower, string trimmer. They got the sander, but a few different tools to choose from. Most expensive one out of all of these, it will be the grease gun. So if you do need a grease gun, this is going to be a heck of a pickup for you. Only for $89.98, 5 amp hour battery, the charger, and then one of the tools. Also, for the Inside Track Club members, they got a deal going on. So this isn't going to be open to everybody, just Inside Track Club members. But if you buy a floor jack, so you go ahead, if someone that needs a floor jack currently right now, this might be a good deal for you. But they got the Daytona 3-ton low profile floor jack here. And this comes in multiple different colors, coming in at a price of $289.99. These are really nice top of the line floor jacks. But they got a little bit of a deal here, which is a little bit different than the normal deals I've seen before. But they got, if you purchase this jack, you get the Hercules kit. This is the impact kit. So a 1/4 inch compact 3-speed impact driver kit, usually $97.99. You'll be able to get this for free. So if you already need a jack anyways, not a bad pickup. You'll be able to get the charger, battery, and the Hercules impact for free with the purchase of one of the Daytona 3-ton low profile jacks here. Now, I usually don't cover much stuff on the Inside Track Club members just because I'm not really sure how many people that view my videos are parts of this membership. If you guys want to see more videos on the Inside Track Club member deals, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make sure that I put out some more videos just for you guys. Hopefully you found some value in this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.